Greetings, race analyst, PhD, proving hate and degradation here in Chattanooga. Look at the dam. It's open. Speaking of open, I opened up with my homemade out of bamboo and this and that fishing pole. Just bought some worms. It's time to go fishing. One thing to appreciate in life is nature. You know, there's a lot of chatter. There always is about the ways of the world, things that we really can't change. As in how other people view the world and the causes that they fight for, often different than ours, even their perspectives that are different, ingrained, inbred, unchangeable amongst the masses, which may be different masses than the masses that you align yourself with. No fret. Stay at peace. Know who you are. And every once in a while, if not always, appreciate the big picture. Earth, nature, natural phenomena, creatures, the animals in the wild, the birds, things that are not weighed down by those issues. Such a beautiful day. Do I need to even qualify the issues that if we are in any way awakened by improprieties or inhumanity, we have the names ingrained in our minds. But take a reprieve at least once in a while and enjoy the big picture. The man-made problems of intolerance, injustice, soured so-called race relations, the problems of social inventions that go against the grain of the natural must be recognized for what they are. They are lesser. One thing we do not want to do is to become so adjusted to the maladies of man's creations that we forget how beautiful the world around us is. Do your part. Make your stance. Have markers in your psyche that tell you when enough's enough. Oh, is life a struggle and a battle, and to some degree a compromise, but compromise not all that which is you in the natural. Understand what natural persona is. Understand what humanity is. Race analyst, PhD, panning left and right at the Chickamauga Dam. A stretch of water in Tennessee. Peace.